AgFlow system to bring a list of hazards today and tonight. A significant change in the weather is coming this afternoon. A blizzard warning is in effect today and tonight west of a line from Mille Lacs Lake to Waseca, including the western Twin Cities metro. A winter storm warning is in effect this afternoon and tonight along I-35 from Faribault County north to Chisago and Kennebec counties east of Barron County, including the remainder of the Twin Cities metro. A winter weather advisory is in effect from this afternoon until tonight for Dunn and Pippin counties east to Eau Claire and Ladysmith. Snow will develop this morning across western Minnesota with light rain or drizzle farther east. Temperatures will start in the 30s but will plummet during the day following a cold front, falling below zero overnight. This will turn the rain to heavy snow very quickly early this afternoon across eastern Minnesota. Wet conditions, heavy snow, and temperatures falling into the teens will likely result in flash freeze with dangerous travel conditions through tonight. Snow will continue into this evening area-wide, then taper off after midnight. Total accumulation will range from 5 to locally 9 inches across east-central Minnesota, 3 to 6 inches across western Minnesota and west-central Wisconsin. Strong northwest winds of 35 to 40 miles an hour will develop behind the cold front. Gusts of 60 miles an hour are possible across western Minnesota, with 50 to 55 miles an hour gusts farther east. Considerable blowing and drifting snow and whiteout conditions are expected. Travel will become very dangerous today and tonight. Wind chills dropping to 20 below to 35 below zero will be especially dangerous to those that may become stranded. This is Weather Radio Station WMG676 Clearwater, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.50 MHz. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, serving listeners across much of central Minnesota. The current time is 7:24 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7 a.m. in Buffalo, it was mostly cloudy. It was 32 degrees, or 0 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 29. The relative humidity was 86%. The wind was at miles an hour. The pressure was 29.29 inches and steady. In Maple Lake, it was 33 degrees, or 1 degree Celsius. The dew point was 31. The relative humidity was 92%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 29.29 inches and steady. And now taking a look at some central Minnesota locations. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 28 at St. Cloud, 30 at Princeton, 34 at Litchfield, and 30 at Little Falls. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 45 at Minneapolis-St. Paul. Airport, 45 at Anoka, and 43 at Crystal. At Wilmer, it was fair, with a temperature of 32. Around the state, at International Falls, snow was falling, with a temperature of 22. At Brainerd, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 31. At Duluth, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 33. Once again at 7 a.m. in Buffalo, it was 32 degrees. Under mostly cloudy skies. In Maple Lake, it was 33 degrees, or 1 degree Celsius. The dew point was 31. The relative humidity was 92%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 29.29 inches and steady. Now the forecast for central Minnesota from St. Cloud to the northwest Twin Cities suburbs. Today, windy. Snow, possibly mixed with rain and freezing rain in the morning, then snow in the afternoon. Blowing and drifting snow in the afternoon. Snow may be heavy at times in the afternoon. Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times in the afternoon. Snow accumulation of 5 to 7 inches. Little or no ice accumulation. Highs in the mid-30s. Temperatures falling into the lower teens in the afternoon. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour increasing to 25 to 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Gusts up to 55 miles an hour. blowing and drifting snow overnight. Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times in the evening. Snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Lows around 5 below. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to around 55 miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Wind chills around 29 below. Thursday, considerably colder. Breezy. Mostly sunny. Patchy blowing and drifting snow in the morning. Highs around 4. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Wind chills around 29 below. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows around 6 below. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour becoming west around 5 miles an hour overnight. Christmas Day, not as cold. Mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 20s. Friday night, not as cold. Mostly clear. Lows around 8. Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 20s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows around 9. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Highs around 18. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows near 0. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs around 12. Monday night, mostly clear. Near steady temperature around 3. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs around 20. Again, the forecast for central Minnesota from St. Cloud to the northwest Twin Cities suburbs for today, windy. Snow, possibly mixed with rain and freezing rain in the morning, then snow in the afternoon. Blowing and drifting snow in the afternoon. Snow may be heavy at times in the afternoon. Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times in the afternoon. Snow accumulation of 5 to 7 inches. Little or no ice accumulation. Highs in the mid-30s. Temperatures falling into the lower teens in the afternoon. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour increasing to 25 to 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Gusts up to 55 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. The St. Cloud, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, December 22nd, 2020. Yesterday's high temperature of 41 degrees occurred at 7:52 p.m. The record high is 45 degrees, which was set as 1899. Yesterday's low temperature of 18 degrees occurred at 2:31 a.m. The record low is -24 degrees, which was set in 1983. No precipitation fell yesterday. No snow fell yesterday. The normal high temperature for today is 23 degrees, and the normal low is 5. The record high for today is 52, which occurred in 1899, and the record low is -30, which occurred in 1983. Sunrise today is at 7:55 a.m., and sunset is at 4:37 p.m. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For today and tonight, a significant change in the weather is coming on today. Confidence is high in strong northwest winds of 35 to 45 miles per hour, with gusts over 55 miles per hour possible in western Minnesota. In addition to the wind and cold, the likelihood for 4+ inches is increasing with locally 6+ inches possible. Blizzard conditions and blowing snow is possible for much of the forecast area. Temperatures will start out around 30 degrees and fall throughout the day, going below 0 overnight. Wind chill values of -20 to -30 are likely tonight. Blizzard and winter storm warnings are in effect for much of the area. A winter weather advisory is in effect for portions of west central Wisconsin. Please check our website for the latest headlines in your specific area. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Temperatures will top out in the single digits Thursday afternoon, going below 0 again Thursday night. Wind chill values of -20 to -30 are possible Thursday morning. Spotter information statement. spotters and snowfall observers are encouraged to report snowfall amounts to the National Weather Service.